Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. So the force restart could be useful if, for example, your watch is frozen, unresponsive, maybe something is not working properly on your watch and you want to restart it, and hopefully that would fix your problem. And to force restart your watch, you will need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about 12 seconds. Basically until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting, which will take, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds. Okay, and we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.